man. Take one picture of the Prime Minister there. Come again. Show us to the world. Quick.
Bless it. Let me show him. You can pay for them there. Give me 2 more. Have a push. Come, give me 2 faster. Hey, yeah, go give me a couple. Give me 2 faster. And give me change. I want you 2. What? Just give me around until it came. You want a commission? Yeah, go give me a commission. Alright. Buy water kind, man.
Shower.
Show a alright. Big up the live. Big up. Hello?
Party candidate for the upcoming general. Yes, sir. Member of Parliament.
About doing a campaign is that you get to cement your connection with the people. You get to come into the communities and see how the people are living, the conditions and the challenges, but you also get to share in their happiness. You also get to understand the things that they hope for. And the outpouring of love, the reception is always heartwarming. And it is a reminder why I must continue to work hard in your behalf to ensure that you can have the quality of life that you dream of. Now, your Member of Parliament, Krystal Lee, she was very concerned that we may not be able to visit your community. And she said, Prime Minister, I know we are running behind, but the people here would be so upset if we drove past and didn't stop and say, even hold it, and say, all right, we have to run. And so we decided that we will come up here with just a small number of the motorcade. We have left the actual motorcade down on the highway. And as I drove up, I got a sense of this community. It's a peaceful community. It's a beautiful community with lovely people who are ambitious, hard-working people. Everybody, I notice a lot of people trying to build up and improve. So it's that kind of community, and that is the kind of community I like. And what someone said to me, Prime Minister, all we want is just road and water. We will make our way and do the rest. And I believe that is the sentiment of most Jamaicans. They just want decent road and reliable water. Now I know that you have some water challenges. Your water is not consistent and reliable. I driven up on the road, it needs some repair, and your Member of Parliament has told me that this road is on the SPARC program. Now, politicians will come and they will promise. I am a politician. I try not to. What I try to make is a commitment. And there is a difference between a promise and a commitment. When a politician comes to you and says, I'm going to fix the road, man. That's a promise. There is no timeline. You don't know how it's going to be done, where the money is going to come from. But more than that, they never really had a track record. They never did it before. But if a politician were to come to you and say, we are going to fix your road, and your road will be fixed with a budgetary allocation, which created a program called the SPARC program. That money is already in the budget. Works have already started on the program. Your road is on the program. You don't have to worry about it. Once we say it is budgeted, it went to Parliament, we vote on it, the money is there. It goes through the process. Whether it is procurement, contracting, design, whatever it is, your road is in the process and it will be done. That is a commitment. And what I would want more Jamaicans to do, especially in the campaign season, is to look at the politicians who come to you. And when they come and say, I'm going to this or I'm going to that, you have to ask them questions. Where is the budget for it? Where is the money for it? Have you ever done it before? Show me your track record. When I come to you, I am handing out a book. Can I borrow your book? This is our track record. And if you look in this book, you will see all the road programs that we have right across Jamaica. You will also see what we have been doing with improving water supply. So I am not coming here making a promise to you. I am coming here with a commitment. Your road has not yet been fixed, but your road will be fixed because it is on a program. You can't fix every road in Jamaica all at once. Not possible. But I want to say to you, as long as your road is on the program, the SPARC program, it will be fixed. So the people of Chester, I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for your loyalty, and I want to thank you for the lovely welcome that you have given me. God bless you and thank you. And remember, choose Jamaica, choose Krystal Lee, choose the Jamaica Labour Party.
Hold on. One of the things, Prime Minister, let's say road and water, let's say street light. So I'm the street light man. So I will ensure, okay? Street light is on the list also. Choose Jamaica, choose the community.
JLP cares for Jamaica.